This challenge will be eating rainbow versus black food.
I wanted the rainbow bread.
I want the black bread.
Let's make this more interesting and add some cheese.
Grilled cheese.
Rainbow grilled cheese? Ooh.
Whoa, that looks good. I want to try mine.
Oh, cheese!
That was great.
Yeah, what's next?
Yup, time for ice cream. Here you go.
Ooh, ice cream's my favorite.
I can't wait. Oh, rainbow popsicle. Oh.
I wish I had the rainbow. Is this chocolate? Good.
That was so good.
For dessert,
Yeah.
you do not want to miss out on this one. Time to eat.
Donuts. Oh, I got the mega chocolate donut.
Whoa, mine's rainbow. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh.
Great job. Are you ready for another round of dessert?
Yeah.
Chocolate covered strawberries.
Whoa, rainbow strawberries.
Oh, I love these.
Try it.
These are so cute.
Oh, I wonder if mine are that good.
Let's end this challenge with some popcorn.
Oh, yes.
Ooh, it smells good.
Oh.
Great job. That's the end of the food challenge. You guys still want the same colors?
No, I want black.
Give me some rainbow ones.